Hey Vinny, Rick Musick, Internet Manager at Toyota Melbourne. Here's that '04 Celica we have up here. I don't see any rust issues. There's just this scratch right down here. And you got a couple little dings here and there. You know, it is a classic. A little something on the back bumper there. But all around, really good car, buddy. Really good shape. It went through our inspection. It's in really good working order. Everything works. Windows roll up and down. AC's cold. It's in good condition, so if you're interested in it, just let me know. I can't ship it to you. I wish we did that here, but this dealership doesn't ship vehicles or overnight paperwork. So if you like it, maybe you can fly in and drive it out of here. Just give me a call. My number's 321-254-8888. I'm at extension 263. Hope you like my video and have a good day.